Listen, if you don't sit still and pay attention, then you're gonna get put back to the end of the line, okay?
Because I didn't understand what you said. I said, I'm not
No,
up
because you
here
don't
for
understand what I'm saying. All right, pass the matter. Listen, all right, Miss Bree, Deanna, Janae Gordon. Did I get the pronunciation correct, ma'am?
Janae Gordon, good morning.
Good morning to you, Janae Gordon. I need you to turn your camera on, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. City of Detroit versus Janae Gordon. Case numbers SP 171843882, SP 1724058, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1724061. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name for the record, Ms. Gordon.
Janae, please, Gordon.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, give Ms. Gordon an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, she has an absolute right to a trial. Let me let you know, Ms. Gordon, you owe $210 on a blocking traffic, $252 on a 16 to 20 over, $222 on an expired plate, and $156 on a no valid registration. Those are all tickets that you are were not taken care of a long time ago. All right, Ms. Gordon, put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. So let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Ms. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's current offer to allow her to enter a plea to improper plate for one of the insurance charges and enter a plea of limited access 1 to 5 for the speeding charge. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
All right, Ms. Gordon, you have to unmute yourself. You have to turn your camera on.
It's been adjusted.
All right, Ms. Gordon, next time you come to court, you got to be a little bit more covered up than that, all right? You understand me, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right. What about the deal you said? What was that, Mr. Berry?
Improper plates for one of the insurance charges and limited access 1 to 5 for the speeding ticket.
So it's already improper plates as charged. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yep.
Is that a yes, ma'am, or?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over here. Listen. You're gonna have to stand still.
I was trying to go somewhere quieter. I'm sorry.
All right. Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? Let me draw your attention back to May the 9th, 2025, around 10:50 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hubble and Eaton. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yep, I believe so. Yes.
Not whether you believe so or not.
Yes, I did. Yes.
You operating a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Am I operating it? No, I'm just sitting in here now.
I said, were you operating? Listen, if you don't sit still and pay attention, then you're gonna get put back to the end of the line, okay?
Because I didn't understand what you said. I said, I'm not
No,
up
because you
in
don't
the
understand what I'm
ground.
saying. All right, pass the matter. I'm tired. All right, let's go back. Let's go to somebody that wants to pay attention and wants to get out of here and wants to really pay attention. Is Darren Graham here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
So I can leave or I'm just waiting for you to come back.
You're just waiting. You're just waiting.
Some bullshit. This is crazy.
All right. All right. Okay. Now you're coming down to the courthouse. All right. Now I want you to make your way down here now.
I can't drive.
All right. Well, that's too bad for you. It's I'm gonna show you some bullshit. All right, you can Miss Gordon, you can hang up and come on down.
I don't have a way to the court. I don't understand
Well,
why I'm going down if
you were driving earlier, and you're in the driver's seat of a car right now.
The
I'm
car.
not buying. That was by your own admission.
Say that again. I'm sorry.
I said that was by your own admission. So you can play around if you want to, okay? You do what you.
How am I playing? And I said I didn't understand your question. And you said that I wasn't paying attention. I thought you said that I was driving right now, and I said.
Listen, we've already talked about that. We've already had a back and forth. I'm telling you to come down now. You do what you want. I'm gonna put you out the room and
Where am I coming to? Where do I go to?
Bye. Bye here.